Let's test your knowledge. The first thing I want you to do when you see the multiple choice questions on your quiz is ask yourself, is this an example where they are paraphrasing or are they quoting? When you're paraphrasing, you only include two things in the citation. It's always the author's surname or last name and the year of publication. And there's two ways to cite it. You can see here the first, you can put both pieces of information at the end, or you can integrate it by starting to introduce that paraphrase information with the name and the year. On the other hand, when you are quoting, you should see three pieces of information: the author's last name, the year of publication, and the location of the quote. In this case, it's a paragraph number, para 6. If it was a page number, it might just be P.6. But when you're preparing for your quiz, if you don't see quotation marks, there should not be a para or a page number. Notice the two ways that you could cite. If you find APA difficult, maybe it's easiest to remember to just put all three pieces of information at the end. If you're feeling more comfortable, a nice way to integrate your quote is to use the author's last name and year to introduce it, and then to put the location at the end. Take a look at these hints when you are preparing for the quiz next week. Let's do a little practice. Now complete the following practice questions. Take a look at these examples. Which one has the correct APA citation? Ask yourself, is it a quote or am I paraphrasing? C is the correct answer. You'll notice that A is wrong because you don't want to have two periods. Just have the period outside the brackets. And B is wrong because it should always be a lowercase p for page 200. Try this one. The correct answer is A. B is wrong because it is missing the year of publication. And C is incorrect because it should have a lowercase p for para. Try this one. The correct answer is C. Notice that we are paraphrasing, which means we only include two pieces of information, the author's surname and year. Also, we use the word "and" when we have two authors, when it is not inside the citation. So Chang and Maher, not Chang and the "and" symbol. We only use the "and" symbol if we're putting all of the information inside the citation. Try this next one. Definitely paraphrasing, no quotation marks, so there should only be two pieces of information. C is the correct answer. It's always surname followed by year, not year and then surname. And definitely no page number or paragraph number when you're not including a direct quote and you're missing quotation marks. So two pieces of information. All right, last question. You should be asking yourself, am I quoting or am I paraphrasing? How many pieces of information should be in that citation? Good work if you noticed right away that this was paraphrased information. Just author's last name and the year would be included in the citation. Well done.